Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This update looks at the progress on the new Aventura and Boca Raton stations in June 2022. These two stations are located in Brightline's existing Phase 1 operation between West Palm Beach and Miami, with these stations roughly halfway between the existing stations. We'll start in Aventura. Most of the progress since my last update has been on the platform. Its general form has taken shape and work on the roof has begun. On this end appears to be a low-level platform for the planned commuter rail service between here and Miami. Ballast is being laid out to the south for the future track alignment through here. In addition to tracks on either side of the island platform, there will be two bypass tracks on the outside edge of the right-of-way, so not every train has to stop at the station. Essentially, it will be a mirror image of the current track arrangement on the right side of the platform, with the inner two tracks shifted closer to the platform edge. Here's a closer look at the high-level Brightline platform. Here in the middle of the platforms is where a structure will rise that will connect to a bridge running over Dixie Highway from the station building. It will contain an elevator and escalators to the platform. This is the lower level platform. And here's the station itself. The tower that will connect to the bridge has topped out and is starting to have interior work completed. The rest of the station is all dried in and interior work is ongoing. Windows will be added closer to completion. There was a crew actively working on the exterior while I was flying. And here's a closer look at the tower. This is where one of the elevators will be. The escalators are beginning to be installed. More escalators appear to be stored on the ground floor for the time being. This end of the tower has also had the first coat of paint applied. A few days after this was filmed, Dixie Highway was closed in front of the station so work on the bridge could begin. Here's a general, high-level overview of the site. The lot behind the station is where connections will be made to various final mile transportation services, along with a limited parking lot. Here is one last look at the platform. You can see all of the rebar that has been formed for the tower, and the first section has gone vertical. We'll now head north to Boca Raton. There has been major progress here on the parking garage that will be shared between Brightline and the downtown library. The foundation for the station building is close to being complete, and rebar is sticking up in preparation for going vertical. Platform work is continuing to the south. The 2nd Street crossing was closed so the additional track could be added. A new turnout was constructed near the Palmetto Park crossing, and it was installed a few days after this was filmed. Here's a closer look at the parking garage. It will have room for 455 parking spaces, with 64 designated for the library. Here's a closer look at the platform structure. You can start to see some of the architectural details taking shape on this side of the garage. And here's a general overview of the full site. Thanks to FBCRS member and friend Andrew Crawford. Here's a quick updated look at the progress here since my drone video was shot. He filmed this on July 29th, 2022. As you can see, the station walls have gone vertical. Here is bright orange passing by the site. Rebar is currently being formed while other sections of the beams have been completed. More clearing work has been completed for where the new station track will go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.